I can't use more than this in summer for daily makeup. Someone asks me to, I say, please go away. I have such less lip liners, I can't tell you. I have this, I have one dark purple one, I have a red one, and the nude. And it covers all lipsticks. I don't want to put a dark lipstick. I'm going to eat a lot. It's called Gloss Bomb Sweet Mouth 04. I'm not going to contour for a family lunch. I use Fresh Look Pure Hazel because it looks natural on Indian skin tones. Today I have a very casual lunch. It's a Saturday afternoon. My aunt has come from Calcutta and she's cooking, so we're going to go there. And when you're visiting family, you can be comfortable. I'm going to just try and do some makeup that goes with this color. Let's see what happens. Using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base as my primer. No matter what, just keep your face nicely moisturized. I'm going to use very little concealer. Just in the spots you need. Just cover some of the redness and you're good. Today I'll use a sponge. My foundation will be the Studio Fix, but I'll apply that later. So today I'm going to use the Naked Urban Decay Cherry Palette. Like I said, I need to use my collection, so I will. I'm using the PAC 204 brush. I'm telling you again and again, this is the brush for soft looks. I'm going to first Devilish, which is this one. Just on my upper eyelid. Kind of matches my outfit. See how it softens the crease line? This brush and life is sorted. And then you bring a little down with the same brush. Not all the way, just a little bit. Blend, 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 blend. And then bring it down. Then I'm going to take my black coal, which is the color bar Just Smoky Kajal 001. Put some on my waterline. All the way in. And immediately, I'm going to use the other side, which has the smudgy brush. A smudge brush. Just smudge it. Now see the difference between just kajal and smudged kajal. Smudging is amazing. Now mascara. Today I'm using the Huda Legit Lashes and always use the volume side first. A good mascara will just naturally line your upper lid. Now I'm going to use the curl and length side. Using false lashes for daily makeup is not something I find practical. I don't use it at all other than work, where I have someone professional doing my makeup. I can't even put it. But for daily makeup, I feel scared. What if it comes off? And then there are like two lashes. Risky. Choose a good mascara. Now I'm going to freeze my eyebrows. I have thick eyebrows, which is why I don't need to draw them. That's why I freeze them. You can get these in colors as well. I'll try and give a demo on somebody one day with eyebrow work. or maybe I'll just enhance mine and show it to you all, but on a daily basis I don't. So this is the MAC transparent brow set. I'm not going to put any highlight on my brow bone. I'm using my Studio Fix. I can't use more than this in summer for daily makeup. Someone asks me to, I say, please go away. Leave me alone. Fill it out. Gives you a smooth canvas to work on. And the lipstick stays longer. I have such less lip liners, I can't tell you. I have this. I have one dark purple one. I have a red one and the nude. And it covers all lipsticks. I'm using one of my favorite MAC nude lipsticks called Kinda Sexy. It's really nice. I don't want to put a dark lipstick. I'm going to eat a lot. And I'm going to add a lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. It's called Gloss Bomb Sweet Mouth 04. Just go with the colors. I really like their glosses. So this is how it looks. I'm using a simple blush on by my lights are flickering again. I'm going to use a simple blush on by MAC called Pinch Me. Just use a basic blush on brush. I'm not going to contour for a family lunch. If you actually, okay, let me tell you this. If you use your blush from here till here, it kind of automatically gives you a bit of a contour. So my makeup is done. Easy? Don't use the exact brands as me. Get the color, the shape of the brushes, the technique right, and you'll be sorted. I'll see you when I do my makeup next. No, I'm too hungry. I gotta go.